Hello guys! So today I've created this beautiful green smoky eyes look which I'm absolutely in love with, and I've used the products only from one brand, that is Renee. So I'm just gonna take you through the entire video. Let's start. So I'm starting my makeup with Renee Makeup Fix to prep my skin. I love the way it blurs out the pores. Followed by the face base foundation. Love the way it blends and it gives full coverage. Applying a little bit of concealer just to highlight the high points and setting my base makeup with a compact. This jelly tint is absolutely gorgeous and gives you that natural looking blush. Starting the eye makeup with Kajal pencil, roughly making a liner and smudging it. Doesn't have to be perfect. Next, taking this matte green color and applying on the lid. Love the fact that it is so pigmented with no fallouts. Blending it with a blending brush, taking a bit of black shadow to create a shadow around the crease. Doing the lower lid similarly, adding a tiny bit of glitter. With Renee eyeliner, I'm creating a cat eyeliner. To finish the eye makeup, let's apply this gorgeous eyelashes. Wearing this stunning nude lipstick to complete the look. So I hope you loved the video and let me know which products you love the most. Comment here. Bye bye.